with this last thing, which is probably the easiest thing we've done all chapter, is starting with the general equation, we should be able to classify without having to complete the square or anything, just by noticing the values of A and C, the coefficients of x squared and y squared, what's the shape, right? For a circle, A equals C. Pretty straightforward. If they're exactly the same, you've got a circle. Now, I've written down what the book has written, and I'm going to write a little bit more. They say for a parabola, A times C equals 0. What are they trying to tell you with that? One of them 0. The only way to make a 0 with multiplication is either A or C is 0. Not both, because if they were both 0, you wouldn't have a quadratic, right? So we have to say either A or C equals 0. That's what they're trying to say with that statement. Okay, for an ellipse, actually what the book says, they don't say that part right there. They just say this part. A times C is greater than 0. Right? Well, if you multiply two numbers together and get a positive number, that means both of the numbers are positive or both are negative. They have the same sign. That's what they're trying to tell you. Now, it can't be this case. It can't be that A equals C. It's got to be they're not equal, but they have the same sign. And the last one, if for the hyperbola, A times C is less than 0, right? Well, when you multiply two numbers together and get a negative number, what does that tell you about the two? One's negative, one's positive, right? They have opposite signs. So I'm going to go to, when you're done, I'll stop it.